1 box, 2 box, 3 box. Oh, hey, what do you know? In today's video, Deadpool's getting a new AC line. No, I'm just kidding though. But we are going to have an early Christmas, even though it is another 10 months away. But Santa has blessed us with some presents for the Genesis. And without further ado, we might as well go ahead and get started and see what he gave us. So as mentioned before, he's blessed us with an AC line, which if you come to the engine, it's the AC line that sits right here. As you can see how it's far to the left, that will just get in the way of the intercooler piping. So with the new AC line, it's actually going to come through and just stay to the right of the coolant hose. That way there's no clearance issues.
Are you recording?
Yep, we are recording.
Oh, I see. Okay. Now, what do you want me to show your face or?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Big moment.
Big moment. Let's see. We got a goodie bag full of nuts and bolts with no label, so this is going to be interesting. You have our exhaust gaskets, zip ties, Permatex, pretty much a little bit of the hardware. Oh, I do see some oil fitting lines in here too. Some quick AN fittings. So let's not lose this.
Very important bag. Is that the bag to rule them all?
The one bag to rule them all. I already know this shiny piece of metal is the windshield wiper reservoir bracket relocator, because we gotta go from the front of the car to the back of the engine bay with this. Oh look, this is in the wrong spot.
How'd that get there?
I don't know. That's a good question. Probably Francis put it there. Still looking for him, by the way.
Trickster. Nice.
This is actually an intercooler pipe that hooks to the intake. You got the spot for the blow-off valve, the MAF sensor, and I can only assume this is the bracket that actually holds onto the engine bay. Ooh, shiny piece of metal. Don't look.
Alright.
Go ahead, sit this down.
Getting the pile here, getting something going.
Then let's see. Exhaust wrap, reflective tape, a hose, AN6 hose. Don't worry, we're gonna get to the fun stuff. Gotta go through everything.
Yep.
More exhaust wrap. Our NGK one-step coder, laser Iridium spark plugs.
Nice.
You definitely need these going from NA to boost. Let's see, more hoses, more hoses, more hoses.
This is like the box they're
More
rolling
hoses.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, this one's pretty neat. Now, Alec Grainger over at Remnant Performance has designed his own oil filter housing.
Mm.
So let me unwrap.
Oh, to run the oil cooler.
Not just the oil cooler, but the oil filter will screw on right here.
And you got a feed line for your pressure? Are you running oil pressure?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's see.
Or temperature?
Both.
Nice.
Oh wait. No. Oil
it's temperature, right? No, sorry.
Oil pressure. Did I? No, I didn't get that gauge. All right, Francis, we got to talk to you about that. But yep, his patented design.
Wow.
Oil comes out of the engine block here, goes in through here to get to the filter.
Right.
Little hole right here.
That looks like a solid.
Oh,
is it solid? Like just like billet?
It is solid.
Dang. Very nice. Very nice.
Let me go ahead and protect this back in its lovely packaging.
Yeah, you don't want to scratch that. Even though it's gonna eventually be tearing up.
Hoses, clamps, more hoses and clamps. A black box. Ah, okay, the oil feed line. That's what this one is.
Tell it to the turbo.
With the label. Got another black box.
That return?
Nope, no return. This is actually the oil sandwich plate.
Yeah. I was thinking about getting one of those for the Ultima. To run like a cooler.
Oh, you're going to need one.
I'm thinking about it, yeah.
Let's see. So it would be installed this way The oil temperature gauge actually goes on this side. And I cannot remember for the love of my life what goes on this side.
Yeah, it could be like, maybe it's for pressure. Like they might have two bungles for, one's for temp, one's for pressure. I don't know.
We'll have to see. And actually, who is calling me in the middle of this video? I'll call you back.
All right.
Let me put this back. This is very important. You definitely need an oil sandwich plate to run your oil return and your oil feed lines. Make sure everything's running smooth.
Yes, sir.
Let's see, that's a vacuum block. Boring. That's a 3/4 AN fitting. Boring. Couplers. Boring. T-bolt clamps. Boring. More T-bolts. Couple V-bands. Boring. Oil filter. Boring. All right.
Okay. On to the next. Let me. Yep, you're going.
Might as well
What's next?
look in this box. Another black box. What does it say? I can't read Korean, so looks like we gotta open it.
Yep.
And this, take it out, put that down. Oh, here's some fun.
Catch can.
You sure it's a catch can? I thought it was a drinking mug. You know, just put your drink on here. Go. But no, it definitely says oil catch can. Then all your lines that go with it. Your small little air filter breather.
Yep.
That just sits right on top, nice and easy. Alright, put that back. Jam it in there. So that's that one.
Mm-hmm.
Now we have another black box. With no label. So
how many parts was this kit total?
He said over 200 parts in this kit.
Wow, okay.
I think he counted every little nut and bolt.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, like, whew, that's a lot.
Ah, here we go.
That's a lot.
Because of the placement of where the turbo goes and the filter goes, I got to relocate my windshield wiper reservoir.
The fanciest windshield wiper reservoir ever.
The fanciest one that will actually go from the front of the car, behind the passenger headlight, to the firewall.
Wow. Look at those welds. That thing is clean.
Wait, they definitely did a good job with this.
Blinding. Flash of bright light.
So let me put this back before we end up having to go to the eye doctor.
It's almost a shame, like, that thing's gonna get dirty eventually, and you know, like just regular road dust. And...
I mean, that's why, I don't know, the car might become a trailer queen. Who knows?
Cool, sure.
Oh no, I didn't go on trailer queen. We racing.
Time will tell.
My fans came here to see Deadpool run.
Mm-hmm.
And let's see. Oh, for when your turbo gets cold, you actually put on a turbo blanket.
Keep it toasty.
Oh yeah, even though, you know, that's not what it's for. You know, the turbo blanket is actually to keep the heat from going everywhere in the engine bay.
All right.
Which doesn't make sense. Blanket's supposed to keep you warm, right?
Mm-hmm.
Not supposed to keep you cool. Got more hoses.
Ooh.
Yeah, don't fall.
Yeah,
You gotta have our exhaust wrap.
yeah.
More couplers. Boring stuff. Now, let's get to some more fun things. So the first of 4 white boxes, we have...
Ooh.
We have our massive intake.
That is
And it's,
massive.
you know, it's just a coincidence that the intake is red.
Right. Very, very coincidental, that's all.
You know,
it just goes perfectly with this.
so box number 1. Box number 2. If I can figure out how to open this. This fancy piece of machinery is the actual oil cooler.
Very nice.
Help keep the oil temps down. Even though it does look like a small... What am I trying to say? Oh, small intercooler.
Yeah, it does. That's the plate and fin design, yeah.
But yep, mounts right above the intercooler actually, more closer to the passenger side of the car.
Nice.
Put that down. This, yep, we'll open up this one first. It's not a soft gift, so everything's open.
Hey, it's Christmas.
Is styrofoam.
Nice.
Move the styrofoam. Set this down. And we have our beautiful wastegate designed by Remnant Performance. It is the tile clone. And it already comes with a 6-pound PSI spring. So we are about to have some fun with this.
Very nice.
And of course, all the mounting hardware. We actually get other springs.
Okay. So you can change the amount of boost.
If I'm not mistaken, this little one here, if it wants to come undone, can't remember how much this one is, but it's not going to run enough boost, so who cares?
Just throw that one away.
Then we have a 4-pound PSI spring.
Okay.
4 pounds ain't enough to get it done right. Go big or go home, right?
Exactly.
So let's put this away. Don't worry, I'm gonna edit this out. I'm struggling right now.
Oh, good.
This ain't working for me.
Yeah, we ain't getting to that today.
Oh no. Plan for today is
Oil
to
pan.
at least get through this oil stuff.
Yeah.
Why is this not working for me? That there. That there. Alright.
You're like, good enough.
Yep, good enough. And the last of our white boxes that I can't even open.
Got your box cutter? Easy there. Don't hurt yourself. I know you're excited.
Gotta do it for the fans.
I know it's Christmas morning.
It's definitely Christmas in February. Who needs Valentine's Day? This is another beautiful piece by Remnant Performance. I wanted it to make duck sounds, but this is the blow-off valve right here.
Wow.
Beautiful, elegant, the Remnant Performance logo.
Very nice.
Of course, all the hardware. Definitely can't forget this piece. But this coming soon. Can't wait to hear those sounds.
Yep.
Pick that up. We'll save that box for last.
Oh, come on. Sorry.
We'll actually move to this box. Already open. First impression, we have styrofoam.
Boring.
That out the way.
Cardboard. Boring.
Cardboard.
Oh, oh.
Fold it. Oh yeah, definitely want to get a lot of air with this. And they said this is their newly designed intercooler with the lip actually folding over to actually keep the air trapped inside.
Very nice.
Can't wait till we get this on. Really can't wait for the whole kit to be installed.
Yeah.
Fold.
I didn't finish watching the video, but I was like, this is going to be a marathon. After you started the oil pan, I was like, holy crap, this ain't happening in one afternoon.
Oh no, definitely not at all.
It's going to be at least a week.
It's at least a week project.
Yeah. I can see you still finishing up next weekend, but
hey,
we'll
we
see.
got 2 weeks to get it done because we're getting tuned in 2 weeks.
Okay.
Now-
I think we can do that.
Now let's open up the biggest box that's here. 1 cut, 2 cut. We have for you bunch of airbags.
Nice.
And it's always important in a car, you need airbags. Safety feature.
Exactly.
But once you remove all this, you have intercooler piping. Oh, you have exhaust piping. Wonder why they call it a U-pipe. I never could understand. You got your U-pipe. Your Y-pipe. Don't understand why it's called a Y. It's in the shape of one.
Yeah, me neither.
You have a downpipe. You have more intercooler piping. Turbo mount. Look at the shininess. Get a close up. Look at the welds on it.
Mmm. Yummy.
So, this back to the wind. Don't take it away.
Yeah.
Because we are not chasing.
Oh, trying to get away. Alright, let me pause the video and hold on. Yeah, okay, it's rolling.
Alright, but I think that's everything. Don't you think?
Yeah.
No? Hold up. Let's see, it's a turbo kit. We went over the kit part. Oh!
We missed the other part. That's right.
Part.
Dang.
That?
What everybody came here to see.
This. We open up a box, and we have a box. So let's open up this box.
Ooh.
Piece of foam.
Plastic.
Then once you remove that, now we have what you came here to see.
Ooh.
The Remnant Performance GTX 3582R 2nd gen. This bad boy is beautiful.
Very beautiful.
6 PSI, 7 PSI. We should definitely be close enough to 500 wheel horsepower once we're done with this build.
Mm-hmm.
This about to be my baby right here.
You gonna sleep with it tonight?
Oh, this is my baby.
Tell the wife, sorry, you gotta go.
Well, I don't know. I might be sleeping on the couch after that. But
Nice.
so this is what y'all been waiting to see. This is what I've been waiting 8 months now.
Yeah. What'd you order back last May?
Last May. Even though I've been talking about turbo in this car for the last 3 years.
Yeah, I was starting to doubt him. I was starting to think he was just making it up.
Oh no, I never make it up. Even though in the car community, you always hear the racing excuse. Oh, VTEC kicked in. You don't have VTEC. Oh, clutch is slipping. You drive automatic. My turbo will be here soon. You never order it.
Right.
Nope, me, when I set my mind to do something, I do it. I said we're going to turbo this car.
Yeah, I remember you ready to show me the receipts and everything. Like, I bought it. It's happening.
Actually, let me show you where it would be placed.
Oh. Yeah. Where's she gonna sit?
Once we get the intake out, the turbo will actually sit right here.
Oh, right behind the headlight.
Right behind the headlight.
Okay.
And it's got some weight to it too.
Yeah. Don't drop it. Don't drop
no,
it.
I ain't dropping this.
That's your baby right there, right?
This is gold. Also, the good thing about this turbo, it's not just oil cooled, which your general turbo is, from up top and from the bottom.
Right.
This turbo is actually also water cooled.
Oh.
As you see from the extra lines.
I was wondering what the extra ones were.
In the front and the back.
Okay.
And just 2 A and fitting lines.
Ooh.
I actually kind of need that.
Nice.
So now that you've seen all the parts in this turbo kit, let's get started.